Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And on the screen you can swipe up to open the quick panel. On the quick panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon. This is the power saving mode icon. You can tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. You have access only to time, steps, and I believe date. Come on, show it. Also the battery level, yeah. So time, date, battery level, and steps. And to disable this mode you need to basically rotate the crown, or you need to tap on the screen and then rotate the crown like this. You can also enable this mode through the settings. So if you're on the home screen, press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it, scroll down, find the battery option, select it, and here we have the battery saver. Tap on it, tap on the switch next to battery saver to turn it on. Come on. And once it's turned on and you want to disable it, tap on the screen and rotate the crown to disable it. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.